I said no.
Look at that, Mom.
Right?
Where's Mom? Look at that. Dude, you know what he did? You know what he did?
What about the boy?
Look at that. Come on over here, young guy. This guy gets.
Mom, get behind your son. Your son.
Dude, you know what he? Oh, you know what he did? He opened up his wings.
Mom, stand right behind you.
He opened his wings to a full spread eagle.
Say hello.
Stand straight up. Stand straight up.
He's so cute. Look at this big baby.
Yeah.
Okay, now look at the camera.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, you got him going night-night again, huh?
Look at the camera over here. Over here.
Hold on,
Hey,
look at me, look at me, look at me, guys.
Hey.
He's there.
Yeah.
Does that make tight? Do that or no? Sure.
Yeah.